Hello, this is Lee. Right now I'm in Portugal, our client factory. Our clients have all kinds of with tire, the passenger tire, truck tire, OTR tire. We give all the solutions for them. For the passenger tire, we use double shaft shredder to shred them. Please take a look at first the double shaft shredder. This is a small car tire, passenger tire. Then for the truck tires, come over here. We have our Chinese way to deal with it. We use the cutter. We cut the truck tire to strip, then cut strip to block. We do deal with it like this way. This cutter, compared with the double shaft shredder, it can save a lot of electricity. It's mature technology in China. Please take that another piece. Machine. We also use the same way to deal with it. We use the cutter to cut it to tire block. Take a look. First, we cut the small gear tire into two halves with this machine. Then we put the half tire onto this cutter. We call it a strip cutter. We cut the tire into strips. Then the strip go to this machine. We call it block cutter. This is our brand from IMC. Okay. This is the bead. This is the bead. Bead wire. We remove the bead wire with this machine. This machine we call it divider. We remove the bead wire. Use this machine to remove the bead wire.